if you've just joined us, good morning to you. Let's bring you some news headlines now here on Morning Live. South Africa is now in its sixth consecutive week of recording a decline in the number of new confirmed cases and is also seeing a drop in demand for hospital beds and ventilators. The Health Department says that 2,128 new cases have been recorded in the last 24 hours in the country, bringing the cumulative number of infections to 655,572. The death toll now stands at 15,772 after a further 67 COVID-19 related fatalities were recorded, and our recovery rate is currently 89.3%. Public Enterprises Department has called for patience from all South African Airways workers, the unions and creditors over the funding of the airline. The department says it is aware of a planned picket by NUMSA and the South African Cabin Crew Association outside SAA headquarters in Kempton Park today, and they are of course demanding funding to be made available. A creditors meeting is scheduled for this morning while government considers several proposals from potential strategic equity partners. And SAA is in danger of liquidation as the future of the airline remains uncertain. And the South African Reserve Bank has kept the repo rate unchanged at 3.5%, citing low inflation outlook and weak growth. The bank has warned of possible risk to the inflation outlook emanating from higher electricity costs and the rand exchange rate. The bank expects inflation to average 3.3% this year. The growth forecast has been revised downwards to a contraction of 8.2% from 7.3% this year. Right, and that's our news at 6:30, at least a headline bulletin. We'll bring you a full bulletin at 7 with more stories and further details.